My name is Jackie Carter. I've been with Thomas for 3 years. I've been with Daimler for 28 years. I'm the plant manager here for Minnow and D-Lines.
My name is Johnny Reeves. I've been here 35 years.
I'm Steve Riley, and I've been working at Thomas Built Buses for 40 years now.
Hi, I'm Jeff Allen. I'm the Senior Vice President of Operations and also Head of Specialty Vehicles.
I'm Kim Hayes. I go by Mo. I'm a team leader. Been a team leader for 3.5 years, and I've been with Thomas for about 8.5 years.
Randy Fowler, I have worked for Thomas Built Bus for 25 years.
My name is Mitch Miller. I've been here since 1983.
My name is Ronald Barley. I've worked here about 50 years.
As I started out this assembly tech, I wired the buses, the electrical part, then I was a utility, a team leader, and qualities. At the time, C2s and the Ds were all built together in this one building on the same assembly line. We built more C2s than Ds, but when we did, they were the tough buses, is what we called them.
It's so exciting to be here. I actually have goosebumps. I mean, I spent so much time in this plant, so to be here, part of this celebration, the end of an era. I mean, we've been building this transit bus since the 70s here in this plant, and now we're moving it to the other side of the town to be built in the C2 plant. It's just really exciting, really a special day.
The HDX2 is a really great product. It's nice and smooth looking like the C2. I'll tell you what, I've been here so long, it's just like family. You know, it's family with the people that I've been working with for 40 years. It's family with the new people that come in.
Today is bittersweet. I've only known this team for a couple years, but I share every moment with them from the moment we built the last floor until the minute we come around this corner. It's been very bittersweet, and I am very proud to be spending this time with them.
Yeah, it's a big investment. You know, it's definitely a big investment, but it's, I think, what our customers are asking for too. It's what our employees need. I mean, it's a much safer, cleaner environment over there. So all around, it's a big investment, but I think it's going to pay off for everybody involved.
I'm proud to say that we do it better than the competition. One thing I remember when I first come here in '74 was they had a large sign, "The customer is king," and the customer still is king.
I used to drive school buses, so for me to know that I'm building it is definitely very important to me. I love what I do. It's not only just help me and my family.
So someone from my family's worked here for 64 years. I'm 59, so Thomas has kept a roof over my head, clothes on my back, food in my belly, my entire life.
Thomas Built Bus is it's family, it's pride, it is this community.